Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to fix Snapchat SS07 support code. What you need to do is head over to Google and search for Snapchat submit a request and then click on this one, which is by snapchat.com. From there, what you want to do is click on I can't access my account, and then I think my account has been compromised. From there, they'll load into another page, and right over there, what you want to say is this one. I see an error message when I log in, and it's going to load up another page, so just wait for that one. After that, what you want to do is scroll down and click on do you still need help. Click on yes. Then what you want to do is let it load. You want to put in your username, email, mobile number, and description that hey, I'm getting the SS07 code, error code, but I did not do anything and my account was faultily taken away. Please try to fix this as soon as possible, and if everything is right within your account, they should get back to you anywhere from 24 hours to 7 days. If they don't, then you might need to submit a request again, but this is the only solution. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.